Haven't noticed. It's a deep freezer outside. I'm sure you have noticed, but woo!
And with these below freezing temps, it's important to prepare your home to bear the Arctic blast. Kit Hanley has some tips and tricks to help you avoid costly damage and ensure your family stays also warm. Kit, good morning.
Angela, Daniel, good morning. We are coming at you live from the basement where all of the HVAC system action happens. And as you said, it is freezing and you want to make sure that the heat in your home is up and working properly. And that's why I'm here joined with an expert in the basement here. This is John Purdy. Hey, we got it.
Yeah.
We got it. He's the HVAC manager for Mister Quik. Now, John, how many calls have you been receiving lately about broken furnaces or HVAC issues?
Yeah, it's been blowing up the last couple of days. I mean, we were in a meeting from 8:30 to 9 yesterday and had 5 come in just in that time frame. So,
wow.
And we're starting to see it pick up as we've been in this for over a day now.
Yeah.
So a lot of emergency situations that we've been going out to.
And what are some of those emergency situations that people are dealing with?
Yeah, it varies, but one of the common things we see, especially in newer systems, is it's from blocks from their air filter. All right, You leave this in here too long, these need to be replaced every month or two, and we need to just check on them. So if you haven't replaced yours in a while, make sure you do that so your system can breathe properly and not overheating and shutting itself down as it's overworking in these hot months, or these really cold months right now.
Absolutely. And you said replace the air filter. How do you know when it's time to replace it? Is it going to look a certain way?
Yeah, you'll start seeing this get discolored. You might see some fine dust, things of that nature. So if you're seeing any discoloration here, or you're seeing any clumps of dirt and debris, be safe. Just get it out of there, get a new one in there. Make sure you put it in the right way. Usually there's arrows towards the system where the airflow's going. If in doubt, these metal grates typically are going to go towards the system. That just protects it from getting pulled in there. And then so it's seated properly and can do its simple job of filtering the furnace.
Yeah, it fits right in there. Absolutely. Thank you for showing us that. Yeah. Now, there was another tip you gave earlier when it comes to the thermostat.
Yeah.
What was that?
Yeah, so the systems in our area aren't designed for negative temperatures to keep your house at 72 degrees or above. So if you like to keep your house a little bit warmer, this time of year, I would turn it down 3 or 4 degrees. Turn it down to 67, 68, give it a little bit of a break. That way it's not constantly running in overdrive, which is what can shut some of those things down or overheat and make you be in a situation where you have no heat this time of year.
Yes.
And the other thing I would recommend, if you haven't already, get a tune-up done. So you can go to MrQuik.com. We have all of our prices listed there. We're scheduling tune-ups as soon as today for that $89 cost.
That's great. I was just about to say, if you're kind of new to the whole HVAC system thing, maybe calling experts is always your best bet. So like they said, great tips there, John. Thank you so much. Angela and Daniel, how's the furnace looking? How's it coming?
We just got a new one, so it's working.
Yeah, yours
fine.
is.
Yeah, you remember it went out about a month or 2 ago.
Yes, and Kit, great. Everybody's talking about how long between filter changes.
That's right. Yeah, I'll be checking mine when I get home.
He said thanks for the reminder.
Yeah. I think it's been a couple of months, so I better change it.
I think so
Usually
too.
I'm pretty good on that, but you know.